In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonials slider to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean, rotating carousel of real customer feedback that adds credibility and keeps visitors engaged. First, head over to the Testimonials slider widget in Common Ninja. This is where you'll design the slider itself. Add your testimonials one by one, including the quote, the person's name, and an optional photo. Keep the text concise so it's easy to read at a glance, and use high-quality, properly cropped images for a polished look. Choose styles that match your brand, colors, fonts, and spacing, so the slider feels native to your page. While you're in the editor, preview how the slider transitions, adjust the autoplay speed if you like, and decide whether you want navigation arrows or dots. It's also a good idea to check the mobile preview to make sure the text size and images remain legible on small screens. When you're happy with the design, click Save Changes, then click Add to Website to generate your embed code. This will produce a short HTML and JavaScript snippet. Copy that code. It's what will pull your slider into ClickFunnels exactly as you designed it. Now switch over to your ClickFunnels dashboard and open the funnel step where you want the testimonials to appear. Click Edit Page to open the page editor. Decide where the slider should live, above the fold for maximum credibility, beneath a headline, or near a call to action are common spots. In that section, add a new element and choose the HTML, JS, or Custom HTML option. This element is your placeholder for the slider. Open the element's code editor and paste in the embed code you copied from Common Ninja. Save the element, then save the page. Use the preview to confirm everything looks right. You should see the testimonials loading and rotating automatically. If the slider looks too narrow or too wide, adjust the width or padding of the section or column it's in. If fonts or colors seem off, go back to Common Ninja, tweak the styles, save, and your page will update with the new look. If the slider doesn't appear, double-check that the entire embed code was pasted and that no extra characters were added. Finally, view the page on both desktop and mobile to ensure smooth transitions and readable text. That's it. Your ClickFunnels page now features a professional, high-converting testimonials slider.